sleeping in the African bush. It's a bit chaotic. There's things going on everywhere.
This is camping, unlike anything I've ever known. The traditional Hadza way.
Yeah, okay.
We're building a shelter from scratch, racing the setting sun and the deadly wildlife it brings with it, here in the wilds of Africa.
You're nervous? Yeah. Okay, we're running.
This is week 1 of a 6-week on-foot expedition across Tanzania. In this video, I'm going to be learning how to camp by making shelter and fire, the Hadza way. But first, we've got to move fast to find a camp spot, and before nightfall. Joining me on this adventure alongside the Hadza is Hyenas. Hyenas is in the team to help with the translations.
So where are we heading?
We need to go and see where we can just make our...
So we need to find a place to make shelter.
To make a shelter, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You know, this is how we work.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, very fast. You know.
That's what I was just thinking.
Fast.
It's going to be like chaotic start of this.
The Hadza are one of the last true nomadic hunter-gatherers on Earth, living a traditional way of life. But this life is getting harder to sustain, and I'm here to get just a snapshot into it.
We are staying here.
Cool. Take a Obi.
You and the security.
Elephants.
Yeah.
Are you saying that we should stay here, but this is also for elephants?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
But we'd be okay.
Yeah, okay. But because you stay for Bushmen, you stay to snake, elephant, cats.
Yeah, it's more the elephants.
Friends.
They're friends with you.
Partnership.
Okay.
Yes.
Julius insists we'll be safe camping on an elephant crossing, though truthfully, we don't have much choice. The water and trees offer shelter and protection for us, but they will also likely draw in animals through the night. All the more reason to get on with the next step, building shelter.
Having to learn very, very quickly how to build a shelter like the Hadza do, because nightfall's only an hour away. But we have a lot of help and being very much ordered around about what to do. Go here, okay?
The plan is to position the shelter so they face the direction the elephants would come from, so you can see them if they approach.
Elephant will come from this side.
Okay.
And the Hadza will broken.
And then you'll be like...
With the position of the shelter decided on, the first step is to get our building materials. Now, time for the foundations.
Okay.
Yes.
So dig a hole.
Yeah, hole.
Okay.
All sticks.
Okay. Okay. So deep, yeah. Okay.
Securing the frame with stones makes the structure sturdy.
You wrap them around.
Twine is then used to fill in the walls. Think of it like plastering.
I will do as he says.
You know, these are very soft wood.
Yeah, very
and
soft.
Then very hard to structure in the
Really good.
Yeah. This wood is special for stick for house, and then it's special for arrow.
Oh, wood for
make
arrow. Okay.
Before long, the cage structure is formed. For the final touches, leafy branches are cut for the roof.
Look how high they are. They're so high. Yeah, I'm coming. Getting on my way.
A complete Hadza shelter, engineered from the forest itself, each tree chosen for its unique strength.
When you are moving, you sleep in these shelters?
It's a traditional house.
Yeah, traditional, yeah.
So this is how they build the house.
Yeah. Have you ever slept in one of these?
No, once we come here, several times we use the small tent.
So this is first time? Yeah!
Sleeping in this small house.
He didn't believe that I was actually going to do this. He thought, because we have tents as well, but the tents are really for the expedition. And so this is going to be Hyenas' first night as well. Are you a little nervous?
Yeah, I am. Very nervous.
This is the first test for this.
No door here.
No door? No door.
But
You just.
our door will be like
but that's good because we can see
close
the
to the
fire.
fire, yeah.
We can see the fire.
So there is fire there and there is water.
Yeah.
So we'll be blocked with all fire and water.
Yeah, exactly.
The Lord of the fire and the Lord of the
Although
water.
a lot of wildlife like to come to the water.
Yeah.
So they come and drink, see us. And
So when the elephants come and drinking water
yeah,
there,
exactly. We can.
then we can just move there.
Yeah.
And a bit of creature comfort, quite literally, a cowhide to sleep on.
That way. Yes.
With the shelters built in good time before sunset, I get to know the Hadza better and find out that it's not just Hyenas who has reservations about the wildlife, despite Julius's reassurance.
So they are afraid of elephant only.
Yeah,
But
that's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah, no lion.
Yeah.
They don't afraid about lion, no about
But you're
leopards,
afraid,
no
but you're
hyena.
afraid of elephants.
Only elephant because it's big.
And tusks.
Yeah, because it's big.
Yeah, I'm afraid too.
The Hadza's fire lighting process not only gives the camp warmth, light, and a means to cook, but acts as a precautionary measure to ward off their most feared animal.
They're just burning the elephant down.
Okay.
Just to make sure, like a fencing mechanism.
Elephant
really?
coming
Yes.
to smell
And
really?
move away.
So that's what you do if you're
to
nervous.
survive.
Yeah.
Because it's so dry, it doesn't take long to make fire using the hand drill method with an arrow and dry wood.
Paana ana ulubeto kwa. Iya ko omma.
Okay, we did it. I had a lot of help. So, got a little smoke on from the wood and then put it straight into the elephant dung. And then, the guy's got a fire.
The final step in the Hadza camp, and the one I'm familiar with, is to sweep the floor for any final unwanted guests.
Hey, it's a scorpion.
Scorpion,
Yeah, scorpion. Yeah. Scorpion, very dangerous.
but it won't kill you.
It might.
Really?
Depending if you had like an allergy.
Oh, if you had an allergy, yeah. I'm just being optimistic. Found a scorpion about 5 meters from the camp, or from my little house. But it's fine. Just thinking on the bright side, they don't kill you, they just really, really hurt. So it's pitch black now. Just went for my first bush poo. It is quite intimidating place, especially learning about all the wildlife that's in this place precisely. And slightly, perhaps, regretting my decision of deciding to go all in. Also mindful about snakes here as well. So just gonna make my way back. Hi, roommate. How's it going? checking for snakes.
Okay.
Comfy?
Good.
Good.
At least. See you tomorrow.
See you in the morning.
With the camp set and the fire burning, we've done everything the Hadza swear by to stay safe. But in this landscape, nothing is for certain.
Okay. Yeah, I have it.
Okay, we're running.
Hyena.
Hyena.
Yeah, hyenas come here around here,
But it's
but
gone.
now we are already chasing far away. Yeah,
This away.
yeah.
Thank you for scaring it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can go back to bed now.